Imagine this. Tomorrow, every human on Earth agrees to do the same impossible thing. Go to sleep for the next 1,000 years. They build enormous underground bunkers, controlled by AI and tireless robots, designed to keep billions of people alive while the surface of the planet is left completely alone. People lie down in their capsules with their families, their pets, and the last thing they see is a countdown clock set to wake humanity up in the year 1025. When the last human finally falls asleep, the surface of Earth becomes completely silent for the first time in hundreds of thousands of years. Within hours, planes run out of fuel, trains stop on empty tracks, and ships drift without a crew. The human world freezes in whatever state it was left. Power plants left on automatic systems begin to shut down one by one. City lights fade, billboards go dark, and the night sky slowly fills with stars again. Without alarms, traffic, or human noise, animals cautiously step into the spaces we used to own. Foxes trot along highways. Deer wander through parking lots. Birds land on silent billboards. Without alarms, traffic, or human noise, animals cautiously step into the spaces we used to own. Foxes trot along highways. Deer wander through parking lots. Birds land on silent billboards. After a year, rain has started leaking through roofs. Basements are flooded, and the first trees take root in the cracks of sidewalks and walls. Within 10 years, many coastal neighborhoods are underwater. Pumps have failed, dams are crumbling, and fish swim where commuters once rushed to work. Forests spread into suburbs, then into city centers. Glass towers look like cliffs in a new jungle, wrapped in ivy and shadowed by tall trees that grew from our forgotten parks. After 100 years, many of our modern icons are gone. Steel bridges crumble, concrete towers collapse, and books, paintings, and hard drives quietly rot away. Almost all of our digital memory is gone. Plastic discs, magnetic tapes, solid-state drives, all have corrupted. The story of our civilization is now scattered in a few surviving stones and metals. By the time 1,000 years have passed, the Earth looks almost as if humans were never here at all. Forests, deserts, and oceans have erased most of our straight lines. Our most durable machines are now silent witnesses on other worlds. Moon rovers and landers still stand in the vacuum, preserved better than almost anything we left on Earth. On the surface of Earth, ruins of our cities are now just strange rock formations. Animals walk past rusted skeletons of skyscrapers without any idea what they once meant. Deep underground, the 1,000-year countdown finally reaches zero. Lights slowly turn on, systems wake up, and after a millennium of silence, humanity opens its eyes again. They climb to the surface, expecting ruins and ash, But instead, they find something stranger, a world that has healed without them and barely remembers they ever existed. They still have knowledge, tools, and technology stored below. The real question is not whether they can rebuild, but whether they will repeat the same story again. 1,000 years of sleep gave the planet a second chance. Now humanity has to decide, was this just a long pause or the beginning of a completely different story?